Hey everyone, welcome back. Not getting Roblox notifications on your iPhone, no friend request alerts, no game invite alerts, no Roblox alerts. Here's exactly how to turn them back on. Go to your iPhone settings and scroll down on the list of apps to find Roblox or just directly search for it. Once you're in there, click notifications. Then make sure that allow notifications is toggled on. If it's gray, tap it to turn it green. Now look at the alerts style below. It must be set to banners or alerts, not none. If it says none, Roblox notifications are technically allowed but will never appear on your screen. Also turn on sounds and badges. After fixing those, scroll back up to the top or your main page of the settings. Scroll down and find focus. Go through any focus mode you use. Do not disturb, sleep, work. Tap each one and then tap apps and make sure Roblox is not listed on the list of silenced apps. If there is, then tap the minus to remove it. After making all these changes, open Roblox and go to settings inside the app and make sure that in-app notification preferences are also turned on. So all you've got to do is go to iPhone settings, then Roblox, then allow notifications on. Style set it to banners, check focus modes, Roblox notifications will come through, and that's it. Subscribe for more Roblox tips.